ZipTied racing out here this weekend in a 68 Dodge Dart.
I think we're about to whoop some. That's what I think.
So the Dodge just blew up right in front of me.
Alright, so I may have accidentally caught the Doge on fire.
So we're gonna put it on and see if she seals up.
It needs to rain as soon as possible again because that ups our chances.
Oh, we're having 4-jack races in the garage.
I saw that. I don't want to even know. I don't want to know.
You don't need to know.
Going back racing. Start passing some people because it's raining and that's what we love.
Doge doubles as a land yacht, so our chances in the rain are looking pretty good.
Cars are now on track.
Yep, and pace cars leaving pit lane. Here they come.
Alright, so we got Jake Brother back in the car. Lightning delay is now over. It's soaking wet outside. Jake decided he wanted to overheat the car, so it's sitting about a cool 240 up on the starting grid. But cars are rolling now. I'm hoping that thing cools down and doesn't overheat too bad. But now that it's raining, it should be easy.
All right, we're going back live with the green.
We are green flag racing at Daytona International. ZipTied doing a driver change already.
ZipTied Racing guys put together a great car today. We had a great stint in the rain, passed a lot of faster cars, got some ground back. Jeremy's in the car now. He's going to put in some time and hopefully we don't go red anymore. Hopefully it stays green. Great car. That was a lot of fun.
Okay, ZipTied, they've put their Dodge back out on the racetrack. They put a new driver in. Looks like they got a YouTube channel they're sporting too. The Dodge Dart, appearance-wise, they are leading the race, but they're not.
Appearance-wise, correct.
Yeah.
Good, yeah, it's good.
Yeah, there you go. Good.
Alright, so Jeremy ended up tapping the wall in turn 1. It's just cosmetic. The nose, I figured it'd be like this. It can't be perfect. It's a race car. It'll hammer back out. I'm not making a new one. Just gonna hammer it out. It'll be fine. It's a Daytona. It's a NASCAR. You hit it with hammers. You do that kind of stuff. It's fun.
ZipTied's out there doing all right, keeping it going.
So we just sent Jake Brother back out. We were having a steering issue, so we solved that in the pits, and then we also had an oil pressure problem, which is more severe, but nothing that a little more oil cannot fix. I'm hoping all for the best. I want this car back in one piece and everyone to have fun. That's all I want. So, I don't know. We got Jake out now. Best of luck to him.
Looks like ZipTied got themselves stuck in the mud somehow.
Yeah, he may have touched the tire, so he just may be coming back to have the car looked at.
Right.
That's a safe thing to do.
Sure.
We're gonna have to really let this thing cool down. It's at 260.
Now we've all crashed it. This is ridiculous. It's a non-exclusive club that I don't like that I own. So, reporting to you from pit side, Jake brother had a incident with the wall, and we just banged it back out, and it was good to go. He's back out there again. I commend him for it because it takes balls to go back out after hitting the wall. So we got 1 more hour left to go. That's it. Then we're done. This experience that has been the last half of the day will be over. I'm almost sad to see it end, but it's been glorious. Because at the end of the day, we've been running with wood on our motor for 7 or 8 hours of racing. So I can't complain.
They got that car back out there. That thing just won't quit.
The longer that car runs with a piece of wood on the intake manifold, the more proud I feel that we're like semi-hacks. So, hopefully it lasts 1 more hour with no incident. I can't deal with another incident today. I don't want to, but I will if I have to.
All right, so we're coming up on about the last 10 minutes of our 14 hours of Daytona. We got Jake brother in the car right now. Everything has been going fairly smooth. He had a little incident with the wall, but only cosmetic, so other than that, the last stint for Jake brother has been pretty smooth.
Looks like ZipTied's going to finish the race on the racetrack. Congratulations, guys. Good for you. And there it is. The checkered flag is in the air for Danger Racing in their 97 Lexus SC300 as they take that checkered flag and the win at the Daytona 14 at Daytona International Speedway.
There he is! There's the Doge! Yes! Yeah!
Wow. 3, baby.
3. Did it for 3. Jump it on, let's go! Yeah! Jake! Woo! You just finished Daytona. Good job, brother.
I was like, is it ever gonna end? Ah.
Well, it finished.
We like to keep the top of our struts and our brake lines nice and lubricated.
We're able to bring home a
Moral victory.
A 70th.
something in the 70s. We finished though, even after I crashed it.
Yeah.
So we're coming back.
All right, so 14 hours of Daytona is complete. Jake brother took the checkered flag for us. The Doge Daytona survived pretty well.
All right, so Champ Car now over. We failed. We ended up 1 lap from 69th. Wouldn't it be great to race Champ Car twice and get 2 69 finishes? You can't have everything, but Doge made it. Incredible fixes. Everyone put everything they had into it. I'm unbelievably happy with the result. I love this car. It still looks awesome, even though it's all squished there. So, I don't know. I love the Doge as always. It's the best. Do it!